Flirtatious eye contact is a subtle yet powerful way to show attraction without needing witty lines. You should use this technique effectively by choosing the right moment, such as when first meeting or exchanging items, and ensuring your crush is not distracted. To flirt successfully, first, make eye contact. Then, invite them in with a warm facial expression, perhaps a slight smile or lip lick. Avoid a frozen or serious gaze that might appear like staring. Maintain eye contact longer than you might think. Aim for about 3 to 4 seconds. And if you're in a social setting, you can lock eyes, look away, and then look back a second time to gauge interest. Following the initial hold, you can drop your eyes downward momentarily to appear shy, perhaps using the triangle method, eye, mouth, eye, before slowly bringing your gaze back up to maintain the connection, all while remembering to add a genuine teeth-showing smile and subtle energy through posture or a slight head tilt to convey confidence and availability.